morning, YouTube. Hope you all are doing well today. I want to talk to you a little bit about tonight, or today actually, as we come near the end of this year of 2019. I'd like to speak to you about pretty much what went on during this whole year of 2019. First of all, I would like to let you know about these glasses. We're inside of a warehouse and I'm wearing dark glasses because it's actually pretty late at night already, and the lights are very sensitive to my eyes. Since I work at night here at this farm, I work here at the farm here at Olive Farms. We're located over here in Lago Vista, Texas, 15 miles northwest of Austin, Texas, just past the Hill Country area. That's where the farming starts. First of all, I want to thank you. I want to thank everybody for supporting my channel. I know most of the videos are kind of boring because I'm pretty much stuck here in the farm. I don't get to do too much. But I'm here for you. Anyways, I try to stay around for as long as I could. We started doing these small shows since back in, as far as I could remember, all the way back in 2016, 2015. Started out kind of slow and just started moving my way up to buying better equipment, getting upgrades to provide you a better show. You know, I'm not a professional blogger, but I do try to do what I can. You know, during these times of the year, I was able to meet bloggers that are pretty famous online. One of them is Mr. Finn Snow. He, the young gentleman from Iceland, he moved to the Philippines and pretty much loved it there and became a resident there now. He loves the Philippines very much. I love the Philippines also, but I'm kind of stuck here. And like everything else, everybody has bills to pay, so I'm here stuck on the farm because of my bills. Anyways, as we come near the end of 2019, today is the 31st. We are nearing just a few hours from now, it'll be 2020. And I'd like to thank my family for being very supportive. My mom, my brothers and sisters, my kids, my older daughter, Maida, Jenny is there, Cindy was there. I wish my son Sam would be there. He's grown very far away from me. I don't know why, but I still love him. Wherever you're at, Sam, I want to let you know that I still love you. My closest friends, Bear Barrientos, he's doing well, I would hope. I've checked up on him. Um, the ones I really want to thank is my employers. Um, he brought me up from the time, from way back in 2012 when I retired from law enforcement after serving 35 years, serving my community for 35 years. I retired and the owner of this farm, this wonderful farm, picked me up. Said, Dave, I need you to come and work for me full time. You're done with that law enforcement stuff. I need you to stay out here at night and watch over my ranch when I'm out of town. I want you to stay over and watch over my kids. Because he's told me very much that I give real good examples. And I've been able to see his kid grow up from toddlers all the way to adults. The oldest one, I had first met him when I was working part-time here. The oldest one might have been 12 or 13 at the time. But he's 22 now. Young man, very, very knowledgeable in farming. Even though we've had our up and downs, it's like everything else. Sometimes we have discussions, disagreements, but I want to let him know that I still love him. I saw him grow up from a little child to a teenager to a young adult to a man now. He's a good kid, and I do appreciate him a lot. And I also want to thank his younger brother. Pretty cool little kid. I've known him since he was. Now that kid I've known since he was in diapers. He's a young man now. He's 16, running on 17 now. He's a good kid. Very educational. He's very, very smart in school. He's an excellent sharpshooter. My gosh, I'm amazed that if I was good with a weapon, this kid talks me up like, whoop. Anyway. All I wanted to say is that thank you for giving me the job here. I would say to the owner, you picked me up from mud and you grew me up to gold. And I would never stop. Every chance I ever get, when I see him when we're alone, I always remind him, sir, I appreciate for you giving me a job. You didn't have to, and you gave it to me anyways because in 35 years of law enforcement isn't too much for a retirement check. Job here is a lot better. Keeps me away from the danger and pretty much just keeps me at night, even though it's a big hassle. And I grow older and I get more tired, but it's the age. But I'm here at night and I'm here to serve them as best as I could. I got a feeling that I'm going to end up dying here, but I'll do the best as I can anyways. But as far as anything else is concerned, I want to wish everybody, the whole world, hope you all had a safe Christmas, and want to wish you all a very, very safe, Happy New Year's. If you don't have to drink and drive, don't drink and drive. You don't have to. you feel that you can't make it, call an Uber, call a Lyft. And those who know me know where I'm at. If you still can't get home, call me and I'll try to go out there and pick you up. I don't want you to cause an accident. I don't want you to place yourself in a situation where you're going to end up maybe killing an innocent family only because you thought you could make it home on time. As much as I tell the owner's kids, stay away from alcohol, stay away from drugs. They're pretty much grown adults now, so I could only do my part in telling them stay away from this part of the evil. But it's just something that I have to do. As much as I do it for my own family. If I love my own family, I love these kids a lot also, and I will tell them the same way, the way I would tell my own kids. But we're just a few more hours away from midnight from 2020. And I want to thank everybody, my employers, my friends, the people in YouTube, the people that have supported me, and you all that are new here and that have not seen my channels. They're kind of boring, but I'm doing better. I want to thank you all for staying here and listening to me. And I will wish you, I'll see you out there in 2020. And I wish you the best of luck.